Maka-answer na ito eh, nangabak ko eh. Doon naka-answer, nangabak na ito eh. Naka-answer mo lang.
How does it feel to belong in the top 5?
Oh my God, I feel so happy right now.
And you feel the happiness? Yes. Alright, we have your supporters here. Now let's go to your question. Yes. Since you are happy, please your question. What do you think is the essence of beauty pageants in the celebration of our town's fiesta? What do you think is the essence of beauty pageants in the celebration of our town's fiesta?
Well, we all know that the highlight of our fiesta is this beauty pageant. And through this, women in our municipality are able to share their intelligence, their confidence, and also, of course, the change, the positive change that they can be able to